Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to easily generate and properly format complex math equations from Gemini into Microsoft Word. Now I will teach you how to export to Microsoft Word document while keeping the formulas editable. First, click Share, then copy the sharing link. Open Mark Docs, click Gemini link. Paste the link to import our conversation. And finally, export the document. Now we can open the downloaded document to check the effect. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.